It's pretty straightforward, but it's exciting. 1 dehydrator, 6 stainless steel trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, a recipe book, and more. A few, or a lot, of your favorite foods all go on the trays. Then you slide your trays in. With only 4 buttons, the options aren't complicated. Just set the temperature, then set the time. Those are the basics. The process is mesmerizing and extremely satisfying. You might find it tempting to level up, especially once you find thick-cut bacon in the fridge. Or some marinated meat that you'll pay your roommate back for. Once you've mastered that, there's no stopping you. For instance, can you really be satisfied with plain old ice cream? When you can magically transform fruit into fruit paste, into fruit leather, into garnish? Oh, those beets? Let's whip up some beet powder. And there we have it, beet powder a la mode. Voila! Much better. Endless, amazing possibilities. We're rooting for you, Dehydrator connoisseur. Live life tastefully with COSORI.
The Tribest Sedona Combo Dehydrator is unlike any other dehydrator on the market. It combines the latest technology with smart design to make dehydrating your favorite foods a breeze. The Sedona Combo Dehydrator is packed with a number of innovative features. The glass door with stainless steel handle allows for easy opening and closing. With the Sedona, you can enjoy a clear view of the entire dehydration process without interruption. 2 LED lights automatically turn on when opening the door for easy viewing. The Sedona's front panel features a digital display with fully computerized controls for the temperature and timer. The built-in timer can be set for up to 99 hours or continuous operation mode, which allows for 150 hours of worry-free, uninterrupted operation. Innovative dual fan technology allows for all 9 trays to be used at once or use just half of the space and energy by utilizing the tray divider, saving money and the environment. The dual fans utilize a quiet DC motor, bringing the Sedona's noise level to a whisper. Those that are on a raw food diet will appreciate the Sedona's raw mode with an overheat protection feature. This feature shuts off the heating unit automatically when the internal temperature reaches the desired heat setting. This ensures that the food temperature inside never goes over the temperature which is set, ensuring the live enzymes of raw food are preserved and remain intact. The Sedona also offers a fast mode for those who don't need the raw food protection. Fast mode dries foods fast at a high heat temperature, which is perfect for foods like beef jerky. The Sedona features a revolutionary 2-stage sequential temperature timer. This allows you to start the dehydration process for the first hour or 2 at a high temperature and then automatically switches to raw mode for the remainder time. This automates the dehydration process for foods that have a lot of water, like tomatoes, making the dehydration process faster and easier. The Sedona Combo Dehydrator is detailed throughout, with BPA-free trays and plastic components, 33% more space between trays, an easy cleanup debris mat, a handy on and off switch, and a choice between Celsius and Fahrenheit. With 25 years of experience, Tribest makes vibrant, healthy living so easy.
Dry food at home with Excalibur Dehydrators. Preserve fruits and vegetables naturally. Simply slice, dry, and store. This Excalibur model features 9 trays with 15 square feet of drying space and an adjustable thermostat with a temperature range low enough for herbs and high enough to reach safety standards for meat. Cleanup is also easy. Simply wipe down the trays and the inside cabinet. 2 key factors are needed for dehydration: heat to force moisture out, and airflow to carry moisture away. Excalibur's hyperwave technology fluctuates air temperature to draw moisture to the surface. Parallax horizontal airflow distributes air evenly, so food dries faster and more consistently. And because air flows evenly over each tray, No tray rotation is required mid-cycle. With Excalibur, you can make fruit and veggie snack chips, dry meat and fish into jerky, dry herbs, make dried soup mixes, granola, crackers, and incubate yogurts. Make fruit leathers from real fruit. No added sugar or preservatives. Dry flowers for potpourri, paper mache, or other craft items. Remove trays to proof or re-crisp breads or dry sprouted flowers. Make homemade pet treats with quality ingredients. Enjoy your dried food now and for years to come.
The Tribest Sedona Express is the world's first full-featured dehydrator with a compact, kitchen-friendly design. With its 11 trays, user-friendly all-digital controls, central single-fan technology, and advanced two-stage sequential temperature timer, the Tribest Sedona Express doesn't sacrifice power and features for its smaller size. The glass-hinged door of Sedona Express allows for easy opening and closing. When you have a clear view of the drying chamber, monitoring the dehydration process is convenient. With an internal LED light, you can insert and remove the trays with ease, even in dark spaces. With the Tribest Sedona Express, you have an option of 11 plastic trays or 11 stainless steel mesh trays. Both Sedona Express models have a washable and removable air filter and an easy cleanup removable BPA-free debris tray to make dehydrating your favorite treats even easier and healthier. Sedona Express's front panel features user-friendly all-digital controls for temperature and timer. The built-in timer can be set up to 99 hours or continuous operation that allows for 150 hours of uninterrupted operation to accommodate all your favorite dehydrator recipes. With its powerful central single fan, the Tribest Sedona Express ensures even airflow and rapid dehydration of a variety of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to meats and crackers. With its 3 innovative settings, fast, raw, and combo, you can effortlessly reduce dehydration time, maintain essential enzymes in food, and enjoy worry-free dehydration without the need to constantly monitor the dehydration process. With the Sedona Express's fast mode, you can dry foods rapidly at an average temperature as high as 167 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius for foods like beef jerky. Are you more into raw foods? Sedona Express's raw mode has an overheat protection that shuts off the heating unit when the internal temperature reaches the desired heat setting. This ensures that the food temperature inside the drying chamber never goes above the temperature that you set. With this feature, you can maximize preservation of nutrients and live enzymes in your favorite fruits and vegetables. The combo mode features the revolutionary 2-stage sequential temperature timer. This allows you to start the dehydration process at a higher temperature, fast mode, for the first few hours, and then automatically switch to lower temperatures, raw mode, for the remainder of the set time. This automates the dehydration process for foods with higher water content, like tomatoes or watermelons, and conveniently dehydrates the foods at faster pace while still preserving all your nutrients and enzymes. The compact but powerful Sedona Express has kitchen-friendly details throughout. With its easy access on and off switch, a choice between Fahrenheit and Celsius, whisper quiet operation, and 10-year warranty, Tribest makes healthy living easy.